my name is Samson. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm pursuing EMBA, Executive Masters. Currently, I'm working in a forex industry. All right, my experience within 2 days was amazing and insightful. The Art of War workshop was amazing. It's a new thing for me to get or to know a new philosophy. 𝐬𝐭 philosophy is introduced for me as a new, so it's really amazing. So to be honest, this is a turning point for me because it's a new philosophy, a real life, real experience. So it's blended with a modern business, even though the philosophy is back 2,500 years, but it's still work in the modern businesses and then in our daily day-to-day lives. So it has been an amazing time, to be honest. Definitely, I would recommend someone who is willing to upgrade, willing to improve himself in leadership, in strategy, someone who wants to be a good leader. Definitely, I would recommend this course to them.